discuss about welding process. I am Kundan Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, रावपुर सरकारी यूनिवर्सिटी रायपुर। आज हम पढ़ते हैं वेल्डिंग के बारे में। वेल्डिंग क्या है? वेल्डिंग इज द जॉइनिंग प्रोसेस। वेल्डिंग इज द जॉइनिंग प्रोसेस टू विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीट और विदाउट हीट वी आर यूजिंग द two types of welding: fusion welding and non-fusion welding. Fusion welding and non-fusion welding. Fusion welding generally used for use of heat required, but non-fusion welding is the heat is not required. Welding is the one type of welding process. Welding is the permanent welding process, but some of having non-permanent welding process, just like nut and bolt and strip joining, but soldering is the permanent welding process. Fusion welding and non-fusion welding classified in two categories. Fusion welding is classified in two categories, and arc welding and gas welding. And non-fusion welding is the TIG welding, resistance welding, and MIG welding, and many more other types of welding. But having want to discuss about in this types of welding process. Arc welding. What is arc welding? Arc welding is classified in two categories: DCE and DCEP. DCEN means direct current electrode negative and direct current electrode positive. This is the two types of transformer with two types of transformer using in welding process. And the second one is the gas welding. Gas welding is the mostly use the welding process in oxygen acetylene gas welding, and hydrogen gas welding is used in rare gas. And non-fusion welding, TIG, MIG, and resistance welding. Why it is called non-fusion welding? Here is metal is parent metals and filler material metals are not act as electrode, is working as a electrode. This is called non-fusion welding. Just like TIG, TIG means tungsten inert gas welding, MIG means metal inert gas welding, and resistance welding means heat required for melting to other third materials, filler materials required to heat, large amount of heat required in this welding. Tungsten rod. In this TIG welding, tungsten rod is act as a catalyst. This is called gas welding. MIG welding is metal wire. Metal wire is depends on the parent metals. Just like parent metal is mild steel. Two parent metals are in welding process, but parent metal is also required in steel wire. This is the all type of welding classification. Next class we will discuss about arc welding, DCEP and DCEP. First we discuss about arc welding principle. Today discuss about welding classification of welding. Thank you.